The last thing I want to show you is a new view that came to us at about the same time as Fabric, although it's not necessarily tied to Fabric, and that is a view called Lineage View. Lineage View works at the workspace level. So if I go to my workspaces and choose a particular workspace, for example, I can choose Sales Analytics. I have a small workspace here, and it has a few things in it. It has a semantic model. It has a report and 2 dashboards. But how are these things related to each other? Now, it's easy to see if there's only 4 of them, that the report is based on this semantic model and that the 2 dashboards are based on the only report I have. But let's see what that looks like in Lineage View. If I look all the way over on the right, this view now is called List View. This view is Lineage View. And when I click, it will show me a semantic model that has a dashboard based directly on the model, a report, and another dashboard. Now, this isn't actually a dashboard. This is actually a Microsoft Excel file, and yet it shows up as a dashboard created from catalog requests. That's okay. Now, this is interesting, but it doesn't seem to be that useful because we know all these things are related. There's only 4 objects in this particular workspace. But I'm going to switch now to my workspace where I have a number of different semantic models, a number of different reports. And unless you're naming all of your reports and dashboards and including the semantic model name, this can very quickly become a little difficult to figure out. That's, again, where this Lineage View is just incredibly helpful because I click, and on the left, it shows me the semantic model that each item starts with, and then shows me reports and dashboards created based on that model. So in this case, we have the retail analysis semantic model, which we'll be using in the remainder of this course. And here are 3 reports and 2 dashboards, and I can tell clearly which report the dashboards are taking tiles from. So I could delete Southeast Retail Analysis and have no effect on any of the dashboards that I'm using. But if I delete my retail analysis report, then I have a problem. And at any point, you can choose to click Show Lineage, and it will just light up all the way back. So I want to know where this dashboard comes from, and I can click, and it shows me this dashboard comes from this report very directly. To get out of Lineage View, simply switch back to List View. And again, this is based not on a particular data set or semantic model. It is based on the workspace as a whole. So switch to your workspace, switch over to Lineage View, and you'll get a great diagram that you can then highlight to see exactly what will be affected if you change or delete a particular model or report. This is the last of the features I wanted to show you at this time. So if you were just here for an update, you're all done. If you're here for Power BI Essential Training, continue. And the next thing that you'll do is learn how to get data into Power BI.